Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, the Australian dollar continues to drift on Friday with traders sitting on the sidelines as the US government shutdown entered its second month, leaving markets largely unfazed by the prolonged risks. The US dollar, well, the market did claw back some of its gains, but though uncertainty lingered after the BSL confirmed Friday's non-farm payroll report will not be released during the shutdown. Technically, the Australian dollar remains constrained, that is, with any pullback or even rally. But nevertheless, I feel that there is upside potential given the pattern and given the RSI and also where the MACD sits. We could see a rally onto 66.5 and reassess in case we get further gains to the upside. A little bit mixed when it comes to the euro, but nevertheless, still maintaining above 117, and I still feel there is upside potential, at least towards 117.5 to 70, or even higher. Given the fact that the RSI is in a prime position, along with the MACD to rally, I feel the pullback will be limited around 116.60 and look to the upside for further gains. The dollar yen, well, it's clawing back some of its losses, but inside this candle, so it's an inside trading day for the second day. And looking at the technical pattern, it is trying to impress itself in terms of recovering, but I feel that's going to be a lackluster attempt and see a move down. It's still called into 145.5, reassess. Turning to sterling, a little bit weaker, but gaining a bit more in terms of momentum and likely to see a further rally onto 135.5 as a potential target and reassess from there. When we turn to gold, a little bit of profit taking overnight, but still a little bit mixed here, but still gaining, I feel, in terms of the fact that technicals are stretched, but the bulls are still anticipated to take the move to 3,900 and maybe even see $4,000. Any pullback likely to be limited. A little bit weaker for oil, but bouncing and now regaining its momentum above the level of 60.5. Let's see if it can rally on to 62.5 and reassess. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining me. And as always, look out for the intraday report, and I hope you enjoy the great start to the new weekend.